Why choose mid-century modern furniture? Firstly, the allure of superior materials and distinctive craftsmanship. Solid wood, with its timeless beauty, ages gracefully, providing furniture that's ready for reawakening. While high-end companies strive to match vintage quality, they often fall short, underscoring the unique appeal of mid-century modern pieces. Secondly, the design heritage within each piece. Original designs by renowned architects and innovative craftsmanship, such as the artistry of bentwood, converge to create furniture that seamlessly blends form and function for everyday living. With every piece, you enjoy a seat to history, preserving the legacy of mid-century design. Thirdly, multifunctionality reigns supreme, is engineered for ergonomic comfort, offering smart storage solutions that enhance practical living spaces. Its timeless design effortlessly combines style and utility, adapting to your evolving needs. Lastly, restorability is a hallmark of mid-century modern furniture. These pieces boast quality restoration for long-lasting enjoyment. Crafted with durability in mind, they stand the test of time, ensuring your investment can be renewed and refreshed for generations to come. In conclusion, mid-century modern furniture embodies not only the spirit of the past, but also a commitment to quality, functionality, and sustainability that stands the test of time.